Hey YouTubers, today we got a Vauxhall Opel Insignia. It's a circa 2010-2011 and we're going to be changing the pollen filter or cabin filter. Pretty straightforward. We do have to take the glove box out, so I'll show you how we do it. So I've emptied out the glove box already. So pretty straightforward. We have some screws around the top. We start off by undoing this little hatch here. Should just really pop out like that. Give it a wiggle. Then I'll show you where the screws are. So there are four, if I remember rightly. One there, one here, and there's an awkward one down in there. And the other side we have one which is down in there. Let's get them undone. Let's start off with the bottom ones. Probably need a little magnet. Do they come down? Yes, we've got one there. Got one on the other side. If I can find it. Don't get my head too far in the way. Not there. Okay, we've got one at the top here. This and should be able to give it a little wiggle. Oh, just getting a bit hung up there. There we go. And here, just detach that little multi-plug, and that's out of the way now. So there's just a little multi-plug for the light. Get this out of the way. We can get the eyes on the prize. So, lives behind here. Got a little clip here, and a little clip here. Clip in the centre. At the end, and there we go. I'll filter out. Notice the arrow's pointing up for the airflow. We'll double check that before we put the new one in. Having a look, and it says airflow down. This new one. Giving that a little clean out. It's closed. Remember to put the plug back in. You can slide this back home. Get these back in it now. Do these hand tight because they're probably only about 4 or 5 newtons, so just tighten up my hand. that, good. Normally just hook it under, if it's going to be kind. Slide it in position, if it's going to be kind, which it isn't. Have another back before I do anything else. Let's take that one. Let's set this one. Pull that back a little bit. And in place. And then we can just pop that back in. That's the easy way to do it. So all we've got to do, put your bits back in the glove box. Short video, just replacing the pollen filter or cabin filter on a Vauxhall Opel Insignia circa 2011. Pretty straightforward. Hope it helps you out. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe, like, hit the bell to get notified of new videos as and when they come out, and please leave comments and questions in the box below. Thank you.